everyone. In today's video, I will show you how to buy US flights using AfterPay on alternative airlines. So now let's get started. First, head over to the alternative airlines website and search for the flights you want to book. Input your departure and arrival destinations and select your flight. Now after selecting your flight, proceed to checkout. On the payment page, choose AfterPay as your payment option. You will be prompted to sign into your AfterPay account. Now, if you don't have one, you can easily create an account by following the instructions on the screen. Once signed in, AfterPay will split your payment into 4 interest-free installments. Review the payment plan, confirm your details, and complete the purchase. And that's it. You have now booked your flight using AfterPay. Now, if you found this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe.